Welcome to Mathwino. Today we are going to calculate fourth root of 623. We are not allowed to use calculators. We just calculate it with our hand. Use this formula and you can solve it in just 2 minutes. This formula is very wonderful. That is 1 plus or minus x then to the power n, and it's almost equals 1 plus or minus n times x. But we must remember that only when the absolute value of x is much less than 1. And then we can use this formula perfectly. We want to calculate the value of fourth root of 623. How can we solve it? With this formula. Maybe you found that the 623 is not a perfect number, but it is very close to another perfect number. That number is 625. Because 625 it's 25 squared. But 25 is 5 squared. So 625 is 5 to the power 4. So it can write into 5 to the power 4. So now the number which is under the root is 623. I can write it into 625, then minus 2. And the root exponent can write into exponent. Our root exponent is 4, so it can write into the power 1/4. I can say that n is 1/4. I must let the base can write into 1 plus or minus x, this formula. And the absolute value of x is much less than 1. We know 625 is not 1, and 2 is bigger than 1. If I want to let 625 to get 1, and I just to divide it by 625, that is okay. So it can write into 625, then times 625 divided by 625, that is 1. And 2 divided by 625, that is 2 over 625. And now the power is 1/4. Here is a sign, which means multiply. And here is a power 1/4. It can write into 625 to the power 1/4, then times 1 minus 2 over 625, then to the power 1/4. Because 625 is 5 to the power 4. So 8 to the power 1/4, that is 5. And then times, here we can use this formula. Because here is 1, and 2 divided by 625 is much less than 1. Here is 1, and here is also 1. Minus is minus. 1/4 times x is 2 divided by 625. Exactly is not equal. It is almost equal to this. Here is 2 and here is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 2 times 625 is 1250. And 1 minus 1 divided by 1250. This one I can write it as 1250, then divided by 1250. 5 times that, and because 1250 divided by 5, that is, here is 2, and here is 5, and so that is 250. It's a decimal, and it is equal to 4.996. So the fourth root of 623 it is almost equal to 4.996. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and ring the bell. We'll see you next time. Bye.